I'm Enrique Herrera. I'm the manufacturing industry principal at Zebra Technologies. And I just presented at the IMTS Supply Chain Forum. Zebra Technologies is a well-established 50-year plus company with technologies in data collection, data capture, machine vision, RFID, and robotics and automation, and ruggedized tablets and devices. We work with enterprise customers around the globe with a focus in manufacturing, warehousing, retail, hospitality, healthcare services. So we're in a wide variety. We're headquartered in Lincolnshire, Illinois. Today in my presentation, I talked about our vision study for manufacturing that Zebra commissioned a third party and online surveys to 1,200 leaders at the C-level, IT and operations technology. It was done across a variety of regions and various functions. We talked about how strategic digitization initiatives were in manufacturing. We talked about some of the challenges of scaling out, because some of these digitization initiatives can be costly and very time-consuming. But we also wound up talking about Zebra's Connected Factory framework. It had 3 pillars that I spoke about. The first one around actionable visibility in the manufacturing environment, the augmented workforce, which is improving the efficiencies of our frontline worker, and then automated quality and excellence, in terms of not just the importance of it, but how data capture, machine vision, and Zebra Technologies can help achieve that. So the connected factory driving this visibility and these efficiencies in manufacturing, and then also with that additional creation of agility to be responsive to market drivers, whether it's on the customer side or on the supply side. So that agility is created with the connected factory. Also identifying efficiencies, opportunities to reduce waste. I wanted our audience today to recognize that Zebra's portfolio is a lot more than just printing and scanning. The breadth of our portfolio is quite comprehensive, and those technologies are very critical as part of an enterprise manufacturer's data collection infrastructure. I also wanted to add that we can't accomplish any of these objectives without the strength and the collaboration with our strategic partners, providing solutions and enabling capabilities. So we're very focused on our partners and our channel partners and distribution partners.